Hello, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home. Dear children, you must have heard the saying by Lord Buddha that if you really love someone, time and distance will not make you forget them. In the poem Home and Love by Robert William Service, it has been said that when angels talk in heaven above, I am sure they have no words more sweet than home and love. Namaskar everyone, I am Snehalata Badatia. Welcome you all to Sikhya Sanjog program. Yes friends, the most important thing in the world is family and its love. Life's greatest blessing is filial love. Today's story, The Magic Flute, is such a story based on a small boy who has lost his family and he is in search of a new one. Let's find out whether he finds it or not. पिले तुमे माने लॉर्ड बुद्धंकर गोटिए कोट निश्चय शुणिथिबो जे जदि तुमर काहा प्रति भल पाइबा अछि तेबे समय और दूरता सेथिरे बाधा होई परिबे नाही। ठीक सेमिति पोएम होम एंड लव रे मध्य फैमिली आउ तार लव विषय रे कुहा जाइछि। पिला मानकर बापा मांक प्रति थिबा भल पाइबार कौनसी कळना न थाए। उक्त गप्पटी मध्य गोटी छोट पिला उपरे आधारित जे कि निज परिवार को हराइछि किंतु पुणी थरे निज परिवार ओ आत्मीय मानकर अनुसंधान रे अछि। चालो जानिबा ताको ता परिवार मिलुछि कि नाही। The Magic Flute Part 1 The Text The sun was setting as Sukumar walked up the dirt path and into the small village. He was a boy of about 11 or so. In the distance lay the majestic Himalayas. Sukumar was alone and knew no one in the village, but he hoped to find someone who would put him up for the night. In the distance, a girl was calling her mother, and he was reminded of his own mother, who was dead. He was filled with memories of her and took out his flute to play. As he stood there playing, a middle-aged woman carrying a heavy load of grass on her back came up the path behind him. She was the wife of the village headman. She stopped and listened silently to the boy's tune. Sensing her presence, Sukumar looked at her. When their eyes met, it seemed to both of them that they had always known each other. New words and their meaning. Walk up, verb, to go, jiba. Dirt path, noun, matiro ba kaduwa rasta. Sensing, adjective, to become aware of something without seeing and hearing, anubhava kariba, bina dekhi suniki. Distance, noun, durata. Lay, verb, rahithiba. Majestic, adjective, very beautiful, बहुत sundara. Put somebody up, verb, to keep somebody at your home. काहाको घरे रहिबाको दबा. Reminded, verb to help somebody remember something. मन पकेई दबा. Flute, noun, a musical instrument, बंसी. Tune, noun, संगीतर स्वर. Middle-aged, adjective, मध्यवयस्का. Headman, noun, मुखिया. There was an alone 11-year-old boy called Sukumar. It was sunset when he reached a village from which great Himalayas was seen. He wanted to spend that night there in the village in somebody's house. Suddenly, he was reminded of his mother when he heard a young girl calling her mother. The memories of his mother made him play his flute. A middle-aged woman behind him was listening silently to the tune. She was the wife of the village headman. Sukumar and the woman met each other. It seemed to both of them that they knew each other since many days. गोटे एकुटिया 11 वर्षर बालक जार नाम थिला सुकुमार सूर्यास्तर समय से गोटे गाँव रे पहुँचला जहाँकि विराट हिमालय पर्वत र किछि दूर रे थिला। सुकुमार सेही राति को सेही गाँवर जनक घरे बितेबाकू चाहुथिला। हठात ताकू तार मृत माँ को स्मृति गुड़िक मन पड़िला जेतेबेले से गोटे छोट झियो को निज माँ को डाकिबार शुणिला। एही स्मृति संभार पाई से बंसी बजेबाको आरंभ कला। गोटे मध्यवयस्का महिला तार एही मधुर संगीत को नीरवरे शुणुथिले। से सेही गाँ मुखियांकर पत्नी थिले। उभयंक परस्पर देखाहेला। दुहिंकु एमिति लागिला जेमितिकी सेमाने बहुत दिनरु परस्पर को जानिछंती। The woman asked, "My son, where are you going?" "I am a stranger here, mother, looking for a place to spend the night," he replied. "Come with me, my son," she said. "That's your sister calling me. When I heard your flute, I felt in my heart that you too were calling me with your tune. Come along, we must go home." Tucking away his flute, the boy followed the woman to her house. New words: stranger, adjective, unknown, unfamiliar, अपरिचित. Tucking away, verb, to keep in safe place, साइती रखिबा. The village head woman invited him to her house when Sukumar told that he had no one in the village to stay with. सुकुमार जेतेबेले कहिला जे ताहार सेही गाँ रे केही मध्य नाहांती, महिलाटी ताको निज घरे रहिबा पई कहिले। There was an alone 11 years old boy called Sukumar. It was sunset when he reached a village from which great Himalaya was seen. He wanted to spend that night there in the village in somebody's house. Suddenly, he was reminded of his mother when he heard a young girl calling her mother. The memories of his mother made him play his flute. A middle-aged woman behind him was silently listening to the tune of his flute. She was the wife of the village headman. Sukumar and the woman met each other. Both of them felt that they knew each other since many days. The woman invited him to her house when Sukumar told he had no one in the village to stay with. Children, in the worksheet part 1, we have some interesting and easy activities for you. First one is say yes or no, just like true or false. You have to write Y or N by the side of the sentences given. First one, I read to you. Sukumar was an 8-year-old boy. You have to write No, because Sukumar was an 11-year-old boy. The next one is match A and B. You have two columns here, A and B. In A column, you have Sukumar and the women. In B column, the statements given by them, and you have to match A and B, the statements told by Sukumar and the woman. In 3, you have to write the opposites of sunset, alone, stranger, small, dead, silent, familiar and heavy. Student, this is the part of magic flute, and if you still have any doubts or questions, you can write to me in the comment section. Till we meet next time, it's goodbye from me. Bye. Stay home, stay safe.